Another cool feature that could save a lot of time is the ability to create your own keyboard shortcuts. Choose Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts. Click the Duplicate Set button to create a new set of shortcuts. Enter a name in the Name of Duplicate Set field and click OK. Choose Menu commands from the Command menu. Select Save All from the File command list. Insert the cursor in the Press Key field. Hold down the Control key, the Alt key, and the S key. If you get an error notice, it looks like it's already being used. So let's try holding down a different combination. Let's try Control, Alt, Shift, and S. So since this combination isn't being used, let's go ahead and assign it to the Save All command. When you're done, click the Change button and click OK. So you just created your own keyboard shortcut. It's going to save you a lot of time, and we're going to be using that shortcut in upcoming lessons.